Introducing the Comet 360 GP Pro CC or CKXF High Performance Jacket. This 1.4 millimeter thick cow or kangaroo hide leather is lightweight and high perforation for maximum rider comfort. It contains perforated panels in the front, upper sleeves, and side panels. It holds flex action shoulder panels behind the shoulders and above the elbows for freedom of movement. This jacket also contains an optional aerodynamic back hump. Neoprene is used for comfort and mobility at the back of the neck. Stretchable shoulder Key Protect Kevlar is used above the hump panel from the neck down the inner sleeve for maximum mobility of chest and forearms. It contains zippered sleeves, outer pockets, and secure inner pocket with Comet Velcro lockdowns at the neck, waist, and sleeves. This jacket contains CE approved internal removable shoulder pads, elbow and forearm pads, and back protection. This jacket also has a removable inner liner for your comfort. It is shown with the Comet 360 GP Pro CC or CKXF full motion racing pants, and all of our high performance jackets attached to these 360 GP Pro pants with a zipper across the lower back.